Toy Story X Adidas Samba. Woody 2025 release information. A variety of colorful and playful elements are incorporated into the design, such as cow fur heel overlays that reference Woody's cowboy clothing and red and yellow plaid liners that resemble his characteristic shirt. While the smooth brown leather upper pays homage to Woody's plastic boots, the profile 3 stripes blue denim weave provides a gritty touch. Gum rubber treads and light brown suede toes complete the style. With a co-branded trefoil Pixar insole printed with Andy's room's cherished cloudy sky wallpaper, there are additional features inside. Any lover of Toy Story would love it. An amazing addition to any child's sneaker wardrobe, the Toy Story X Adidas Samba Woody is anticipated to be released in the spring of 2025.